Hello, Mayan. Good afternoon.
Hello, teacher. Good afternoon.
Yes, can you hear me well?
Yes.
Great. How's everything going with you, Mayan?
Everything is good.
Oh, there you go. Very good. Okay, so what did you do this morning?
Mm, I sleep and do my homework.
Nice. Okay, when are you going back to school, Mayan?
I think I'm going back to school at September.
September. Oh, wow. So you still have one more month for the summer vacation, right?
Yes.
Yes. So do you have any plans for this last month of the summer?
Mm, no.
Okay. So anyway, Mayan, today we are now in Unit 12. It's all about free talk, but of course with topic. We'll talk about the previous topics that we had. Even though, Mayan, that some questions have been asked before already, I would still ask you them just for you to practice your speaking skill. All right?
Yes.
Great. But if you think that those questions are very easy, just let me know because I'm going to revise them and ask you a difficult one. If only you think that they are very easy. Okay. Now let's look at this one. So we have the part one. It's all about book and reading. Okay. So do you like reading books, Mayan? And how often do you read?
I like to reading books and I often reading books in my free time.
Very good. What kinds of book do you like to read?
I like to read document book.
Document book. Great. Maybe you're trying to say like documentary, right?
Uh, yes.
Yeah, like the genre that is documentary. Yeah, because that is based in real life. Okay. So tell me some of your favorite books, Mayan. What is it and why is it your favorite?
Mm, I think my favorite book is documentaries and I like historic books because the historic book is read in the history and um I just I like to read history in my
Very
country.
good. Yes, that's really great because history plays an important part at our present. And of course, it's like we are here right now because of something that happened in the history. And it's like our present time is connected in the past. And of course, like our current time right now will determine our future. That's how important history is. Okay, it's like a story that never ends. Even though that it already happened in the history, it still connects to the present and the future. And they said that history repeats itself. Sometimes it is true and sometimes it's not. Okay, now look, which books do you like oh, you already answered this one. How about giving a title of the of some documentary and history books that you like the most? What is the title of the book that you like the most, Mayan?
Mm, I think I am
Okay.
Oh, wait 1 minute. Yes, I need to tell my sister some. Um, I think the most books I like, uh, the most I like it, mm, I- it's a fantasy book.
What's that? Fan
Fantasy book.
fantasy book. Okay. So why do you like it, Mian?
Oh, because it's not in real life, and I just have some books as fake. Uh, yes.
All right. Great, Mian. Okay, so when you were little, were you interested in reading?
Mm, right. Well, I think yeah, when I were little, um, like when I were little, I think I like to readings, um, some old book.
Yes, Mian.
Uh, mm, when I was little, and I am when I was little, I what was interesting. Um,
All right. So you could actually like answer, were you interested in reading when you were young?
yes.
Oh, great. Okay, so let me help you how to say it. So you can say, when I was little, I was already interested in reading. Okay, can you read it,
Yes.
Mian?
When I was little, I was already interested in reading.
Very good. So that's how you say it. So what kinds of books did you often read when you were a child?
Um, I think the book I often read when I was a child is like is about a fairy tale book.
Nice. Okay. So what is your favorite fairy tale book, Mayan?
What can you say again?
What is your favorite fairy tale book?
I think I like Cinderella.
Yes, me too. Yeah, I think yeah, most of the teenagers, especially the girls, really know Cinderella. Yeah. And you know what, Mayam? I think I couldn't count how many times I've watched Cinderella when I was young. Even though that I finished it, I would still watch it again and again. Yeah. And
Yeah.
I could even memorize the song. Yes. Okay. So
Yes.
in here, where is your favorite place to read?
Uh, mm, I think favorite place I read is. Wait a minute. Uh, uh,
Pardon,
my
Mayan.
favorite place to read. Oh, wait a minute.
Okay.
Mm, I don't know my favorite place to read.
Okay. So me, I like reading in my bedroom. Yes. Okay. So do you often read ebooks or news on the internet?
Yes.
Wow, that's
I
great. Yes, Mayan.
I often read ebooks in the internet.
That's nice. Okay. So where is your favorite place to read, Mayan?
I think in the coffee.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I asked you this one again. Okay, so do you prefer ebooks or paper books?
I prefer I think is ebooks.
Ebooks. Very good. Why is that? Because
Because the ebook has so many documentary and read to see.
that is right. And of course, we can just read read on our phone without carrying a real book instead. Yes, and it's more convenient than the paper books. Yeah, and we can just read wherever we are. When we are inside the bus, catching a train, we could actually read. Yes. Okay, so what do you think are the benefits of reading books, Mayan?
I think um reading books help me to um help me to have a lot of knowledge and have so many um so many wait a minute can have so
Yeah.
many experience in the life.
Wow. Great. Okay, that I absolutely agree with you. And of course, it widens our vocabulary in that language. If we're reading English book, it widens our vocabulary and knowledge about English. And also our mind explores and it also improves our reading comprehension. Okay, great. So thank you so much for answering my questions, Maya. Now let's move on with traveling. Okay, so do you like traveling? And if you answer yes, why or why not?
Mm, I think I like traveling because I can see so many countries, so many new countries.
Very good. How often do you travel, Mayan?
Mm, I often travel with my families when my school not have a class.
Great. Do you prefer to travel alone or in a group?
I prefer to travel in the group.
Okay. So, what is the advantage of traveling with a group?
Mm, absent. Wait, travel in the group. I don't know.
Huh. Of course, the more, the merrier. And yeah, unlike when you travel on your own, then it's it actually depends on you. If you prefer to travel on your own and you can do fun things on your own, that's better. But there are other people also where they prefer to travel in a group because the more the merrier. And of course, it's more fun when you wear or when you are with other people compared to being alone. Yeah, just like me, I also prefer to travel in a group because um there's more fun with them. Yes, and you can also talk about your experience like that. Yes. Okay, so
Yes.
have you ever traveled alone, Mayan?
No.
No. Okay. So now, when you visit new place, what would you like to do?
I think when I visit a new place, I like to do is um I think first uh first rest in the hotel and I think eat uh new wait I think I'm eat a tradition food in the new place.
Nice. Okay. So what kind of places do you like to travel to?
Mm, I think the place I want is I think it's Korean.
Korea. Why do you want to go in Korea?
Because the Korea have so many I think Korea have so many people. I think it's my uh I think it's oh wait
Okay.
uh, because uh Korea have so many performers
Very
and
good.
yes
You can continue and
um I think I need to see it.
great, Mayan. Okay, so what are popular tourist destinations in your country, Mayan?
Mm, I think the popular tourist destination in my country is I uh this have just have a mountain and we climb the cable cars. Mm, wait, we climb the cable car up the mountain
Very good. Okay.
and
So if
we uh, and we play homemade pop in the mountain. Right, Heather?
Okay, great, Mayan. So if you could only recommend one place, which place would you recommend to me to visit? Then why is that?
Mm, mm, I think the place I would come it's just in Australia. The first site is Australia.
Australia. Have you ever been there?
Now I'm
Ah, okay.
I think I'm listen my sister talk about.
Oh, that's nice, Mayan. Okay. So have you ever been to a foreign country?
Right. Mm, I think no.
Not yet. Okay, if you have the chance to go abroad, so which country would you most like to visit? Then why?
I think the most country I like. Mm, I think it's Thailand.
What's that?
I think it's Thailand.
Oh, one more? I can't hear you.
I think it's Thailand.
Island? I Thailand, right?
Thailand. Yes.
Yes, Thailand. Okay, great, May. And why do you want to go in Thailand?
Mm, because Thailand is I think is a country's my idol my idol Lisa
Mm,
living there.
yes, thank you so much for answering my questions, May. And okay, now let's move on with sports. Okay, how often do you play sports, May Ann?
I often play sport in my free time.
Very good. What are your favorite sports?
I think my favorite sport is badminton and play hockey.
Nice. Okay. So which sports do you like the most?
Mm, my sport I like the most is swimming.
Swimming. Nice. Okay. Would you like to become a professional swimmer?
No.
Why not?
I think I'm not have because I'm play sport is I know but I don't know to say.
All right. Okay. So what can we learn from playing sports, Mayan?
What can you say again?
What can we learn from playing sports?
Mm, I think is playing sport helped me to have a healthy life, and I'm funny when I play sport with my friends.
All right, that's great, Mayan. Okay, so Mayan, could you please excuse me for a minute? I will just use the restroom.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Hello, Mayan. Yes, so thank you for waiting, Mayan. So now let's continue. What is the most popular sport in your country?
Mm, the most popular sport in my country is, I think, is running.
Very good. Okay, do you like watching sports on TV?
No, I don't.
Okay, so who likes watching sports using a television in your house?
I think it's what I think it's my brother.
Nice. Okay, what kind of sports does he like to watch?
He like to watch badminton or basketball.
Very good. Okay, so here, Mayan, what do you think are the benefits of playing sports to our health?
Mm, I think the benefit of playing sport is good to me alive. It's alive without disease.
All right. Okay, so have you ever attended a live sports event?
Mm, mm, yes,
Okay, so which sport was that?
I think sometimes I runnings or sometimes I play um sometimes I play rock skipping.
Great. Okay, how do you stay active and fit, Mayan?
I don't know.
Oh, since you mentioned earlier that you like playing badminton, hockey, and swimming, then I think though doing sports are the things that you do to keep fit or to stay fit and healthy. Yes. Okay, so who
Yeah.
is your favorite athlete in Vietnam and why?
Mm, I think my favorite athlete in Vietnam. Wait a minute.
Pardon?
Mm, wait a minute. Um, I think it's my favorite athlete is Nguyễn Thị Ánh Viên.
Okay, why do you like her?
Because in the Asian uh She she's a professional athlete swimming,
Mm,
and she have uh, uh yes, wait a minute. Mm, does she have a gold medal in the what? I think she have a gold medal.
very good. Okay. So thank you so much for answering my questions, Mayan. We still have more time. So I'm going to ask you more questions, but these are just random questions. Okay. But of course, related to our topic. Okay. But this one, since all of those questions that I've asked for you are very easy, so let's see if you can answer a little bit difficult question. Okay. So first question, Mayan, how do you think reading has influenced your critical thinking skills?
Mm, I think I'm know it, but I don't know to say.
Oh, one more, Mayan.
Know it, but I don't know to say.
You can actually give it a try.
Um, I don't.
All right. So let me answer my own question. So it's like reading has significantly enhanced, okay, our critical thinking by exposing us to diverse perspectives and complex narratives. And it also requires analysis and interpretation when we read those books. Yes. Okay. So next question, Mayan. Um, how do you choose which books to read next?
I think it's historic book.
One more, Mayan, please.
I think it's historic books in the foreign country.
All right, great. In what ways do you think reading can shape societal values? I mean, in what ways do you think? No, no, not that question because I think it's kind of difficult. So, okay. How do you manage to stay informed and respectful to local customs when you are traveling to new places, Mayan?
Um, I think it's my friends or some people I know.
All right. So yes, thank you for that, Mayan. And of course, we could also do our research about the place that we are going to together with the travel guides. Yeah, like we're going to research about the place. For example, if you're going to Thailand, of course, you have to research about Thailand. You also need to include reading about travel guides in Thailand, watching documentaries, and we have to seek advice from the local people there or for people who traveled in Thailand already. like that. So those are the ways to manage, like, it's like those are the ways to stay informed and be respectful of the local customs when we travel to a new place. Okay, so Mayan, how has your travel experience influenced your approach to problem solving and adaptability?
Um, uh, right? Can
Hello,
you give
Mayan.
me a sentences? Can you give me some sentences?
Uh, Pardon?
Yes.
I cannot hear you, Mayan. What's that?
Can you give me some sentences?
What is, I don't understand, Mayan.
Um, I need can you give me some sentences about your questions?
Oh, you mean like I'll give you some ideas on how to answer it?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Just like me. Traveling has taught me to remain calm under unexpected situations. And of course, I have to think on my feet and adapt quickly to new environment and challenges. Because when we travel, it's not the same to our place. Especially if we travel to a new place, then there's could be some culture shock. Like for example, I'm from the Philippines. I would go in the USA. When I land in the US, there are many culture shocks. When we say culture shocks, it's like some people do or some things that you find in the US that are not present in your country. Yes. Let me think. Like for example, um, one of the culture shock that Western people would find new to the Filipinos are when we enter the house and we would leave our shoes outside. For Western people, they would feel they don't actually, like most of them don't bring their slippers inside the house. But for Filipinos, we always leave our slippers before we enter the house. It's like we don't bring our dirty slippers inside the house. So that is one of the culture shock for foreigners going to the Philippines. Yes. So going back to my answer, it's like I can easily adapt to new environment and challenges. What about you, Mayan?
Mm, I, oh,
Hello, Mayan.
I'm here, teacher.
Yes, what about you?
Hmm, I don't know.
Oh, it's all right. Okay, so what about sports? Like, let me think. Okay, how do you see the role of sports in promoting social change and addressing issues like inequality and discrimination, Mayan?
Mm, I think uh, it's just a sport. Um, Wait a minute.
All right, take your time. Oh, by the
Wait.
way, we don't have much time left because it says less than 1 minute. So we'll just call it a day, Mayan. So those are just few examples of some difficult question. Yes, because you are master already in answering basic questions. So I only tried to see if you could still answer. Anyway, Mayan,